Good morning friends, welcome to pre-market update. What we have been seeing in markets from since last 3 days, markets continues to be on a lower downward trajectory. Yesterday also market was, and the second half market was moving down, and almost Sensex was trading around approximately 243 points down, or in percentage terms it was 0.95 points down, and it closed at 25453 levels. Even if you were to analyze Nifty was also down 0.88%, and absolute figure it closed at 7717 level. This happens to be almost 13 months low. What we are seeing, the uncertainty over the Fed rate might increase interest rate in US or not, so that is, and even the Chinese slowdown is continuously haunting the markets and continuously creating volatility since last couple of days. In terms of FIR data, what we have been seeing that FIRs continues to be sellers, net sellers. In the cash market, they have sold yesterday to the tune of 1574 crores, while DIs have been supportive to the markets and they have bought in the cash market to the tune of 880 crores. What if we were to see the global markets, the both Dow and Nasdaq were trading firmly up, and they were up approximately 1.8%. Even the Nikkei closed up more than 1%, and it is and up in terms of absolute points, it was 243 points up. At this point in time, SGX is trading 24 points up, so suggesting we might open on a positive note. Friends, now let's have a derivative check.
Good morning friends, we'll give analysis on derivatives. In yesterday's market, we have seen despite negative cues from the international markets, our markets open with a positive note on the positive news for the FIs about the MAT issues. And thereon we have seen in the initial part of the trade, that is till the early afternoon, market remained on the positive direction, remained strong. But after that we have seen some kind of selling pressure at the higher levels, and we have seen Nifty inching downwards, and despite positive cues from the European market, we have seen Nifty nosed into the negative territory and have also gone below 7,800 levels and eventually closed 7742. Even in the intraday basis, we have seen Nifty inching below 7,700 also due to sharp decline in majority of the index heavyweights, due to which we have seen Nifty closing 1% lower till 7742.15. Now the open interest terms, some kind of short positions was seen in Nifty. 4% was added in open interest. However, cost of carry did increase from 2.5% to 5.5%. That is, Nifty premium did came up from around 12 odd points to currently 25 odd points currently. However, we'll read as majority of the build-up in the yesterday's trade was on the shorter side. And the interesting observation again on the Bank Nifty from the last two consecutive trading sessions, we are seeing Bank Nifty has been showing significant amount of open interest getting built up. In yesterday's trade also, we have seen an addition of around 10 to 15% in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty would be the major loser if the market goes down from the current level, and we might see significant amount of downside if market goes down from current level in Bank Nifty, of course. Put call ratio have inched lower from 1.02 to 0.99 levels, in line with the market going down. We have seen a dip of around 3 odd basis point and put call ratio. However, volatility index have also cooled off. Despite market going down, we have seen some kind of cooling off in the volatility index, and it cooled off around 7.5% from 28.72 to 26.65 odd levels. Now the options activity, majority of the call option have seen an addition, but the addition was just a minor. We have not seen a pile up of addition yet in the call option. 7,900, 8,000, 8,200 was call option was one of the some of the strike price which has seen an highest addition in yesterday's trade. Highest addition was on the 7,900 call option with around 14 odd percentage. If you see the implied volatility of all these strike price, not only for the call option but also the put option, I have seen a sharp decline in the implied volatility. Due to which in yesterday's trade, if you observe, put option have eventually despite market going down by and closing down by around 60-70 odd points, we have seen 7,800 strike price and below strike price of put option closing in the negative territory. While in put option, we have seen an unwinding in 7,700, 7,800 strike price. Remember friends, we have spoken the yesterday's also that if 7,800 put option starts seeing an unwinding, which is in highest in terms of open interest, and it continues to be highest in terms of open interest, for this series also for this series. And we have seen a sharp unwinding of around 4% at 7,800 and 7,700 put option. Have also seen an unwinding of 8%. While seeing the data in the options activity, we are saying that in put option, especially a lower market, the position has been shifting from the lower strike price to the higher strike price. That is 7,500 put option have also started seeing an addition of around 30 odd percentage, indicating seeing the options activity. The outlook of the market doesn't looks encouraging. More pain is left in the market, at least with 7,500. However, minor bounce can be expected, but in the short term, market could inch towards 7,500 in the coming trading session. There is no securities in bank period for today's trade. On FIS terms, after being net buyers in the start of the series, they are now selling their long positions. That is now they are now unwinding their long positions, to be precise. In index futures, they were net sellers by around 1,800 odd crores. However, the open interest rate went up by only 2 to 3 odd percentage. The majority of the selling which came was due to the long unwinding. Index options, they were net buyers of 477 crores, while stock futures net sellers of 169 crores, and stock options, they were net buyers of 40 crores only. For our market level, our 5 days web stands at 7,900 with a lower range at 7,637. 7,637 is the lowest straddle break-even point for this month, so market participants should watch quite closely on this level. A break below 7,637 on closing basis. However, on the last couple of series also we have seen a break below this level. On the same day we have seen market inching more 100 points lower from that current level. So watch out for 7,637 very closely in the coming trading session. And the higher range is 7,800. SDX Nifty is trading positive, taking positive cues from the international markets. We are trading positive by around 21 odd points at 7,761. That's it from derivatives. Thank you.
Now friends, let's discuss trading ideas for the day. First trading idea for the day is Jet Airways. Current market price is 317. Jet Airways board approved merger of Jetlight with the company. The merger will add synergies in compliance and cost. So this is a positive development happening at Jet Airways. Action to be taken is long Jet Airways. Stop loss is placed at 309. We'll be targeting levels of 330 and 342. Now friends, next a long idea for the day is Wabatech Waba. Current market price is 682. Wabatech Waba bags an order worth 1500 crores from Petronas. So this is a positive development for Wabatech Waba. Action to be taken is long Wabatech Waba. Stop loss is placed at 670. We will be targeting levels of 698 and 710. Next long idea for the day is Ratnamani Metals. Current market price is 588. Ratnamani Metals has received an order for supply of CS pipes from L&T amounting to 528 crores, which will be completed by June 2017. This will increase the revenue visibility for the company and also strengthen the order book of the company. Its order book position at the end of June 2015 was 944 crores. So this is positive for Ratnamani Metals. Action to be taken is long Ratnamani Metals. Stop loss is placed at 576. We will be targeting levels of 605 and 620. Now friends, on news update front, Eclux board to meet on September 11 to move merger of ARM Agilist with the company. Vascon Engineering plans to raise 100 crores via rights offer. Met department says on monsoon. Monsoon may be below prior forecast of 88% of long-term average, and it will start retreating overflow this weekend. Bhushan Steel will seek shareholders not to raise approximately 547 crore by selling redeemable cumulative preference shares. Godrej Property announces residential township in Pune. Ujas Energy bags order from Oil India. The estimated value for the order is 88 crores. Manchester United announces partnership with HCL Tech. This is positive for company. Mahindra Holidays will increase stake in Holiday Club Resort OY Finland to 86% and also infused to the tune of $10 million in the company. US FDA has sought more information on Alwar plant of Dabur India and has no plans to and no ban has been issued by them on its product sale to US. UP sales to get booster shot of rupees 3,200 crores. Sale to spend approximately 7,005 crore on modernization and expansion. Cipla acquires marketing right of Derma player Percos India. The deal is worth approximately 90 crores. Mad by controversies over the viability of the ultra mega power projects, the government, in consultation with a committee headed by former ex-Chief Vigilance Commissioner Pratyush Sinha, has made many positive changes to the UMPP policy in a bid to attract both developers and lenders. Puravankara Projects plans to launch a number of projects across several cities like Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai and Hyderabad, and plans to increase the capex to the tune of 1000 crores during year. Mahindra & Mahindra will introduce scooters from Peugeot Motorcycles in India in a year. Pawan Goenka, Executive Director of the Indian company, said. Hero hopes to accelerate sales with 2 new scooters. Now friends, stocks with positive and negative bias. Stocks with positive bias: Pidilite at 559, Dabur India at 280, Biocon at 439. Stocks with negative bias are Crompton at 161, Z Entertainment at 363 and Godrej Industry at 347. Now stocks for investment which can be suggested to long-term investors: Aditya Birla No at 1972, HDFC Bank at 995, M&M at 1135, TCS at 2592, Ultratech at 2886. Friends, that's all from Advisory Desk. Have a wonderful day ahead.